Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix switch to your avatar to R15 to play Emote in Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This issue can be annoying, especially when you want to use emotes, but they don't work properly. On a mobile device, start by tapping Avatar at the bottom of the screen. If you're on a computer, click Avatar from the menu on the left. Once you're on the Avatar page, go to the top and select Customize. Next, tap or click Body, then move over to the right and select Build. From here, scroll down until you see the character options for R6 and R15. Make sure R15 is selected. After selecting R15, return to your Roblox game and check if emotes are now working. If the problem still isn't fixed, it's likely that the specific game you're playing does not support the R15 character type, which means emotes may not work in that game regardless of your settings. And that's it. So that's basically how you can switch to your avatar to R15 to play Emote in Roblox. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.